Today we are gonna fix Valorant points or not loading problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. There are 3 different working solutions in this video. That's why I recommend you to watch the video until the end and give all solutions a chance. Our first solution is to log out of our account and log back in. To do this, click on the gear icon in the upper right. Then we click exit to the desktop. After doing this, we click on sign out and exit. We logged out of our Valorant account. Now you can open Valorant and log into your account and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to change our DNS address. To do this, we come to the search section and type control panel. Then click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. We click on our network. After doing this, we click on properties. We select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click properties. We tick use the following DNS server addresses. After doing this, we set preferred DNS server to 88888 and alternate DNS server to 8844. Then we click OK. We change our DNS address. Now we can open Valorant and check if the problem is solved or not. Our third solution is to add Riot Vanguard as an exception. To do this, we open our antivirus program. I use Avast, so I will show through Avast. After doing this, we click on the menu and then click on settings. We click on exceptions on the left. Then we click on add exception. After doing this, we click on browse. Then we click on local disk C. We click on program files. We find Riot Vanguard and click on it. After doing this, we tick all of Riot Vanguard's files. Then we click on OK. To continue, we click on add exception. We have added Riot Vanguard as an exception. Now we will need add another Riot file as an exception. To do this, we click on add exception again. Then we click on browse. We click on local disk C. After doing this, we click on Riot Games. Then click on Valorant. We click on Live. Then click on Engine. After that, click on Binaries. We click on Win64. We scroll down and find Unreal subprocess file. After finding, we tick this file and click on OK. Then we click on Add Exception. After following these steps, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Before I finish the video, there is one more thing I want to mention. Restarting your computer may be a simple process, but it might help solve the problem you are having. Don't forget to give this a chance too. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.